In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Save Connect module to your home internet using the local setup method. And here's a quick look at the overall connection flow, from your ventilation device all the way to the app on your phone. Today, we're focusing on the local setup method. If you'd like to see the other connection options, link to all connection methods videos are in the description below. Before we dive in, notice the diagram in the corner. It will change each stage so you can follow along easily. Let's go through the steps you'll follow in this method. First, we'll take a look at what's included in the Save Connect package. Then we'll walk through the physical connection of the Save components. After that, we'll connect your phone to the Save Connect module's local interface. And finally, we'll connect the module to your home Wi-Fi. Open your Save Connect package. Here's what you should find inside. 1. Save Connect module itself. 2. Cable for power supply and communication between the devices. 3. Diverting plug, which can be used for connecting multiple devices to Save device. 4. Magnets to attach the Save Connect module to metal surfaces. We start with the physical connection of Save Connect. Start by making sure the Save device is disconnected from power. Now, take the cable from the package and connect one end to the Save device. At this step, you might find the diverting plug handy. If you already have any other device connected to this port, use the diverting plug C to split the cable. When that is done, connect the other end of cable B to the Save Connect module. You can as well attach the magnets to the module for easier handling at this point. Now, power up the device. The Save Connect module should start blinking slow red. Now that we are done with physical connection of devices, we will connect Save Connect module to internet. We will do that using your mobile phone. Start by pressing 3 times on the button as shown. The LED should start blinking orange. Save Connect module is now broadcasting its own Wi-Fi. Turn off mobile data on your phone. Now turn on the Wi-Fi. Scan for Wi-Fi networks. Connect to the Save Connect Wi-Fi. Use the password 1234ABCD to connect. If your phone and the Save Connect module have established connection successfully, the LED on the Save Connect module will become constant orange. Let's now log on to the Save Connect module interface and set up the internet connection. Start by scanning the QR code or go directly to the website http://saveconnect.local. During the first login, you will have to create your own password for accessing the Save Connect module interface. Create and repeat your password. Please make sure that password requirements have been met. To confirm the password creation, press and release the button on the Save Connect module. Great! You have logged into the Save Connect interface. Here you can control, configure, and troubleshoot the device. But we will now show how to set up the internet connection. Open Hamburger menu. Go to Network Settings. Scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Press the button Connect. Once the device is connected to your home Wi-Fi, it's important to understand the IAM LED signals. They help you quickly identify the current status and possible issues. If you've executed all the steps correctly, your Save Connect module should display a slow blinking green color. Blinking fast red light indicates that Save Connect module is connected to your router, but not to the cloud. If you encounter this, please review your home router's firewall settings. Save Connect 2.0 utilizes MQTT port 1883 for outgoing connections, and it should be unblocked. Slowly blinking red light indicates that Save Connect is not connected to your router. In this scenario, the most likely cause is incorrect Wi-Fi password or poor Wi-Fi quality at the Save Connect module. Please attempt to reconnect with the correct credentials and make sure that the home internet gateway is close enough to the Save Connect module. Congratulations on successfully connecting your Save Connect. Now proceed to download the app and add your device to your account.